Now it's time to check whether the password has the right length. So we go for the case, password, colon, break. Now we check if string length is of the value is less than 6, then we're going to copy this thing because it's exactly the same thing. We basically take the key, put this into the errors, and get the value of the message from the required array. Then default will simply check if, I'm going to scroll a little bit, helper is empty, value, and array key exists, key required. That means if the value is empty, and the key, the index, is inside the key, basically index is inside of the required array, but exists as a key. So let's say if we go to our required array, these are obviously keys, these are values. So if obviously the key first name is inside of the required array and it's empty, then obviously we've got a problem here. So we need to obviously, again, do the same thing. So errors key, required key. And then after all this, after our switch statement, we do out key equals value. So basically for each item which is obviously okay or not okay, we're adding this item into our out array. Obviously if there are problems, we won't be processing out array. If everything is going to be validated, then all of these values inside of the out array will be correct, so you will be able to use this for processing later on. So now let's move to the next video when we actually looping through the required array to check if all of the required fields have been submitted through the post.